Good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. We'll do about 4 videos today. I'll do an iReady reading, an iReady math, Junie B, and then another spring book. Looks like this morning is sunny and looks like a little windy, but I know some rain is moving in maybe later this afternoon, so if you need to save some of your work for the rainy part of the day, then get out and enjoy the weather while we can. Okay, our reading is a nonfiction, so that means it's true, it's real. It's called Drip Drop Roots on Top, and we're wanting to work on asking questions when we're reading or listening to a story. When we ask a question, it helps us to understand better because we can ask the question and then we can answer it and we understand what we're reading. You are in a rainforest. The air is warm. Rain falls hard and fast. Soon, the rain stops. But the air still feels wet. Will it rain again? Yes, it will. This is life in the rainforest. So under the picture it says a rainy day in the rainforest. My question is, does it feel hot in the rainforest? Is it cold? Drip tips and raincoats. Have you ever been soaked by the rain? Your clothes get wet. You need to dry off. Plants need to dry off too. Plants can die if they get too much rain. Drip tips can help. A drip tip is a pointy end on a leaf. Rain drips off the pointy part. The leaf dries off. Leaves with pointy drip tips under the picture. If I can go outside today and look at some leaves, if there's some that are on the trees. I don't know if we have any that are formed enough yet to see the tips. You can wear a raincoat to stay dry. Some plants make a waxy coating. This coating is like a raincoat. It stops water from soaking into the leaf. Splat, splat, splat. Rain falls. The drops roll across the smooth, shiny coat. They slip and slide off the leaf. The leaf dries off. So here are the raindrops rolling off the waxy coat, kind of like when you wear a raincoat, and it just kind of rolls off your coat so you stay dry. Roots get food. Many plants have roots below the ground. The roots grow far down. They are hard to see. The roots absorb or soak up food from the soil. The food is from dead plants and insects. The dead things fall apart and sink deep into the soil. So in the picture, you have to look close. Here are the roots under the ground that we don't see. They're important for the plant. In a rainforest, roots peek out of the dirt. Some of the roots even stay above the ground. Why? Roots stay on or near the top because the food is there. Dead plants and bugs wash away before they can sink into the soil. Roots need to stay on top of the soil to absorb the food. So here we see the roots all on top. That would be something I would probably trip over. Trees and plants live with a lot of rain in the rainforest. Plants stay dry with drip tips and waxy coats. Roots soak up food before it washes away. Plants and trees survive in their rainy rainforest home. Plants and trees in the rainforest. Oh, sorry. Okay, here are your questions. Which picture shows what the weather is like in the rainforest? The first picture, I see ice on the tree. The next picture looks like almost like a desert, maybe, where it's very, very dry, no rain. And then the last picture shows rain. Which sentence tells how drip tips help a plant? Is it A, did the drip tip help rain soak the leaf? Do the drip tips are pointy ends on the leaf? Or drip tips help water fall off the leaf? Question 3. How do a leaf's coatings and tip help the plant survive in the rain? Is it A, they dry off the plant? B, they slip and slide off the leaf? Or C, they stop rain from falling on the plant? Question 4. What does the word absorb mean? Is it A, fall apart? B, grown down? Or C, take in? You can look back on page 4 in the story to see that word. Question 5. Why do roots grow above the ground in the rainforest? Roots above the ground can get food before something moves it away, before the soil, before a forest, or before the rain. How do roots on top help a plant survive in the rain? Do they A, get food deep in the soil? Do they B, they wash away with the rain? Or C, they absorb food on the ground? All right, I'll give you answers later today. Bye.